Imagine waking up to find your favorite TikTok videos gone forever. A federal appeals court has upheld a ban that could make this a reality for American users starting in January. But don't panic just yet. There's still time to save your cherished videos before they potentially disappear. Using TikTok on desktop is the easiest way to save videos. Simply right-click and choose Download Video if the settings allow it. On mobile, tap the Share button, then Save Video, and choose where to store it, email, Google Drive, or locally on your device. For those with a lot of videos, third-party services like Repurpose.io can download every video made on an account to Google Drive. A Chrome extension called Mivavit can export all your liked and favorited videos to MP4 files, keeping them organized in folders. The legal battle is far from over. TikTok's emergency motion for an injunction was denied, but the company plans to appeal to the Supreme Court. President Joe Biden signed the ban into law due to data privacy concerns, despite TikTok's denial of any links to the Chinese government. The ban won't make TikTok vanish overnight. Instead, it will penalize internet providers and app stores, causing the app to degrade over time. VPNs might offer a workaround by rerouting your connection through another country, but there's no guarantee. Stay tuned as this legal saga unfolds.